DJ Gaga, the ultimate remix. The power of the ultimate beats club.
Today, I have lost more than you could ever know. But now is no time to mourn. Now is no time at all. I will shred this universe down to its last atom, and then, with the stones you've collected for me, create a new one. It is not what is lost, but only what it is given. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Infinity Warrior Family.
Ang babaeng nag-iiwan ng katagang, talo man ako sa umpisa, pero siguradong ako sa iyo ay panalo na. Please welcome Captain Mrs. Taki. Ang babaeng nag-iiwan ng katagang, tumingin man ako sa iba, sa'yo pa rin naman ako mapupunta. Go Captain Mia. Ang babaeng nag-iiwan ng katagang, kung ayaw mong ikay liparin, ikaw ay makuha sa tingin. Please welcome Admin Mrs. Maki. Ang lalaking nag-iiwan ng katagang, handang maging tanga para mahalin ka lang ng tama. Admin Mr. Maki. Ang lalaking nag-iiwan ng katagang, kapag ako ang minahal mo, siguradong ikay aking ipapanalo. Admin Wiz. Ang lalaking nag-iiwan ng katagang, babaero man sa inyong paningin, pero deep inside, ako ay good boy pa rin. Admin Reed. Ang babaeng nag-iiwan ng katagang, kahit ilang beses mo akong iwan, hindi pa rin kita susukuan. Admin Valentin. At ang lalaking nag-iiwan ng katagang, marami mang babae sa mundo, pero ikaw lang ang pangarap ko. Admin Mr. Taki.
Members Loyal, RM, Raven, Zero, Kaldag, Ace, Tin, Three Things, Ashley, Dar, Automotive, Yuji, and Mayor.
You are now listening to the Highlight Remix Generation.
Infinity Warrior Family, let the rain begin. You have my respect, boy. When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive. Infinity Warrior Family, let the rain drop. I hope they remember you, the universe, but this does put a smile on my face. Heroes are made by the paths they choose, not the powers they are graced with. Infinity Warrior Family, let the rain drop.
Be a nigga on the curb, get your back on.
than you could ever know. But now is no time to mourn. Now is no time at all.
Gaganti tayo sa kanila sa mga napabi sa atin. Hindi natin sila patatawarin. Pangako ko yan.
Take every chance in life because some things only happen once.
You are now listening to the Highlight Remix Generation.
Infinity Warrior family, let the rain drop.
DK Kakua Production. Highlight Remix Generation. DK Kakua Production.
What it is been given, a grateful universe.
Highlight Remix Generation.
A new age for the universe.
Infinity Warrior family, let the rain